How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to get veiny hands permanently, step by step. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dillenberg999. So this is going to be a pretty intense workout. Just follow along. Just follow what I'm doing. No need to count the reps. I will count them. That's 10. Again, we are starting with extensions. It's 20. It's 40, keep going. So 50, keep going. Again, I said this would be pretty intense. That's 70, 71, 72, 75. Perfect. 75 reps, that's a lot. So quick little break. Okay, we are now going to do squeezes, you guys. So get your hands like this. Squeeze really, really tight. Make sure you're holding as tight as you can. This is what makes the exercise intense, is how hard you squeeze. So make sure you guys are squeezing really, really tight. 20 seconds in total for this exercise, so keep going. Keep going, keep going. Another 5 seconds. Keep squeezing, keep going. Perfect. Quick little break. Okay, next exercise that we're going to do is wiggling our fingers. So get your hands like this and wiggle them back and forth. This is a great exercise for the hands. It's also super intense. The faster you wiggle, the more intense the exercise is. So just keep doing this over and over. Keep going, keep going. My hands are really starting to get sore now, you guys. Perfect. Quick little break. We are going to do curls now. So that's 10, keep going. It's 20, keep going. It's 30, keep going. 39, 40. It's 50. My hands are sore, you guys. Keep going. That's 80, 81, 82, 85. Perfect. So end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.